today we're diving into Leonardo AI, an AI art generator that's been making waves in the creative community. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's break down what it offers and where it might fall short. Leonardo AI positions itself as a user-friendly platform for generating art through artificial intelligence. At its core, it allows users to create unique images based on text prompts, making it accessible for artists, designers, and even casual users looking to experiment with digital art. The interface is visually appealing and straightforward, which is a plus for beginners. You can easily input your ideas and see the AI bring them to life, which can be quite thrilling. However, as I explored the platform, I noticed some areas that felt a bit murky. For instance, while the concept is solid, the depth of customization options seemed limited compared to other AI generators. It's also not entirely clear how the platform handles copyright issues, which is a significant concern for many artists. Overall, while it's engaging, there are definitely aspects that need more clarity for users looking for a professional experience. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Leonardo AI is incredibly easy to use, making it great for beginners. The visual output is impressive, and it can generate art quickly, which is perfect for those in a creative crunch. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The lack of advanced customization options may leave seasoned artists wanting more. Additionally, the transparency around copyright and usage rights is a bit lacking, which could deter serious creators. Pricing is another consideration. While it offers a free tier, the limitations might push users toward paid plans without fully understanding the value. So if you're just starting out and need quick visuals, it could be a fit. But if you're an experienced artist, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Leonardo AI has its merits, especially for newcomers to digital art. However, it might not fully satisfy those looking for in-depth features or clear copyright guidelines. If you're curious, it's worth trying out, but be cautious if you're a professional seeking robust tools.